What's up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to Target, and we have on the same clothes because it's all in the same day. Mother's Day is coming up. They have the flowers. Oh, this is cute. What's this running on? Oh no, that's for the tulips. You can put them back. Give them here.
I want them for my crush.
Your crush. You guys, Tony has a crush. Callie from, what's the name of the
Rush Fam.
Rush Fam.
Okay.
Let's take a look at the plus size section. As you all know that I'm thick. So they have these cute long sleeve sweaters. $18. Jeans. $19.99. Dark blue. I think the same price. Oh no, these are $29. The dark blue is $29.99. They have these sweaters in like it's like a mint green and then like a chestnut. You keep putting your hand outside that buggy like that. And they have the tie-dye. $18. And they have the blue tie-dye. Don't do that. It's nice. Dress. Nice shirt and pants.
What nice shirt?
Huh? They have sweaters, but like this is 27. But it's spring and summertime now. But if you work in an office that's pretty cold, like my office is, ooh, those will come in handy. Yes, I do know that, Bishop. More jeans. 27. These blouses. Duka. I'm doing a video. 24. Oh, this is cute. 20. We have these shirts. $9. I like that color shirt. It's cute. I should let you over there with Nano, cause no. These are. Oh, this shirt is 24. I don't know if this is the regular prices or if this is like a clearance, but it's probably the regular prices. These shirts are cute. $24.99. Like I was saying, these sweaters are real thick and cozy. Oh, now these some nice black pants. Really nice. $27.99. This is cute. Little windbreaker. $30. Oh, look at the bike shorts. $12.99. These dresses, okay, they're on sale. These are a little homey-ish. That's pretty. That's a little cute.
But I could lay down, but look at it. It still looks like
Okay. I like this too. Another like windbreaker type. Black. I wonder if this is. It says 35, but over here it's on the sale rack, so I doubt if it's on sale. Oh, this is a nice church dress. Okay. And then we have these blouses here.
what's here?
Okay.
I go.
No.
I go to the please. Come.
Wait, Duka. Look at these purses. This video, I don't know if it's going to do it any justice, but these are huge. Original price $35, clearance $24.50. Oh, with additional 30 to 70% off. Thank you, assistant. Like I was saying, cute. $24.99. Like these. I really like these. Yeah, I don't mind the background noise, okay? $29. Not really. And then just the regular t-shirts. $9. Black, gray, purple and white tie-dye. Like a light It's like a mint color, a little darker mint color. Tie-dye, red, like cheetah and white. Then we got the jean shorts. $19.99. I don't know them people that's talking in the background, okay? More hoodies. This is $20. Oh, no mas. Channy wanted it because he was cold.
Hey,
I feel old.
Can y'all stop? Oh, this cute. Don't hit nobody, Duka. Sorry. $24. Oh, that's cute. And that's a 4X. 24. This like a nice little dress you can wear to like a little picnic or a little 4th of July gathering if you like this style. It's pretty cute. Put on some sandals. Oh, this ain't even plus size. Let's not forget the bathing suits. Yes. Oh. $39.99. Okay, okay. Let me find me a little two-piecey.
Mommy, after we get out, we're going home.
Hmm?
After we get out, we're going home.
Let's see. No? CG crew, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just, wanted to show you guys the plus size section of Target. The stuff is okay. But yeah, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it because we know you're gonna like it here. So catch you on the next one. Bye bye. Everybody's in Target. Look at the line.